Well, hello everyone. This is Darlene, and I'm here to teach you how to make these roses. You see, they are real pretty, and I'm here to teach you how to make them. I just love them. And in the end, can you tell me how I taught you how to make it? Let me know if you like it. Hit like if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, so I can continue to give you different type of projects for tutors. Okay, we're gonna go and get started, and we're gonna use this needle at the end to weave it in, and we're gonna use these scissors at the end to cut it off. The yarn, cut the yarn off, and I'm using a 4.5 needle. Okay, we're gonna go and get started. We're gonna start by making a slip. Gonna start by making a slip knot. Like that, and we're going to insert the needle inside the hole and pull the thread so it can tighten up some. So we're going to chain 20. Okay, in order to make it a little bigger, I'm gonna go on and change 30, so we can make it a little bigger. Okay. Okay, 30 chain. Now what we gonna do, we gonna double crochet into the first chain. Okay, we're gonna double crochet, and we're gonna take it, not the first chain. We're gonna go into one. We're gonna go into the third chain, and we're gonna insert the needle in that third chain like that, and we gonna do it in there 5 times, 5 double crochets in that same chain. And one more. Okay, and then in that chain right here, we're gonna do a slip stitch like that. Okay, then we're gonna repeat it. We're gonna double crochet into the third chain, hold on, give me 1 minute. Kind of got some tangled up. Okay, we're going to do it again. Okay, we just repeating the same process, and that chain right there, we're gonna do a slip stitch. Okay, right here, a slip stitch. Okay, and we're gonna repeat it. Count to the third stitch. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Double crochet 5 times in the same stitch. Okay, and then we're gonna do a slip stitch. Okay, and we're gonna repeat the process all the way to the end. Okay, so what I'm gonna let you do, I'm gonna let you finish all the way to the end and just meet me at the end right here. Okay. Okay, we back at the end. We're gonna cut it off, cut the ends off, the thread end off with the scissors like this, and then we're gonna lock it in like this. Okay, and we're gonna weave everything in. We're gonna weave it in at the end, but we're going to use this right here to thread it in on the bottom. You can make you can make your thread a little longer when you want to, but I think I can work with mine a little bit. You can make yours longer in order to thread it in on the bottom, and I'll show you. Okay, you're gonna roll it in like that. Okay, like that. And then we're going to use this right here to sew it in. And most of the time I do mine like this. I go ahead on and thread it in with the needle like that, just to get it started. And I go ahead and insert my thread. Okay, and that's how the flower looking. And you also can straighten everything up, work with it and move it around. And I'm going to go in the back some more. Sometimes when the thread's coming loose, it's kind of difficult to put them in the hole. Oh, we'll get it. Okay, let me see. Can I just take it on in? Okay, there we go. Okay. And then what we can do is cut them on off. And that's how the flower look. I'm going to just cut it on off. Okay, and that's the flower. See how pretty it is? Nice. You just have to move it around and work with it. Okay. Don't forget, tell me how you like this tutorial. If you like it, hit like. And if you happen to subscribe, you can subscribe to my channel to get more different projects. Okay, thank you.